Clara's gonna feed the fish, although the fish aren't coming up.
Yay, Clara.
Feed the fish. Feed the fish. Yay! Yay! Big girl.
It's like I got this
Big
down.
girl. Yay! Feed the fish. Feed the fish. She's so sleepy. Good job. So smart.
Fish have already eaten one shoe off.
You do it. You do it. Feed the fish. Feed the fish. Yeah.
Oh, Breeze is still cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know if I can. Are you talking? Say bye-bye.
Seagull's trying to come this way.
Yay! Feed the fish.
See the seagull in the background?
Feed the fish. Huh?
Coming right over our boat. He's right behind you.
Yay, Clara! Usually there's catfish coming up, but they're not today. Good job, big girl. Good job.
Got something, didn't he?